Hello friends, collectors and enthusiasts. Some of us collect because of vintage make and heritage for history. Some of us collect because of technical prowess and complications, while others collect because they want something different. They want something that stands out from the rest, a conversation piece, if you will. This Xeric Soloscope 2 is a said conversation piece. Let's get into it. Alright folks, today's watch was lent into the channel by my good friend on WatchCrunch. I am Nevix, and today's watch is a Xeric Soloscope 2. Now let's get into this timepiece and check out this unboxing experience. Alright, before we do that, wrist check. Today I'm wearing my Aragon Dive Master Evo on the aftermarket Amazon FKM rubber. Alright y'all, enough yapping. What's inside the box? So we got a cardboard sleeve. Slide this out. Alright, inside we have a branded cardboard box. Let's see, slide that out. And a nice watch roll. That's nice. Alright. Now in addition to this sweet watch roll, there's a warranty card in the box, but we're going to fast forward through that because that's not what you came here to see. Alright, back to the watch. Now let's open her up and take a look at what we all came here to see. Bam! There it go. Now, check out that blue. Isn't that gorgeous? Now this is definitely a conversation starting timepiece. Let's pull out the roll. Now every single collector is not gonna be attracted to this watch. I get that. This is for those collectors who could care less about fancy heritage, who could care less about sliding under a cuff, and have no plans on spending the average mortgage on buying a timepiece. Let's get the glue off from the sticker and get a little bit closer look. Now from my perspective, there is so much depth and mechanical intricacy in this dial. I'm going to try my best throughout this video to give you a better look. But for now, let's get into the specs of this beautiful thing. The rectangular case is 46 millimeters wide. It is made of 316L stainless steel and is hand finished with a short and wrist-friendly lug-to-lug of 42 millimeters and a thickness of 13 millimeters. It comes with a 22 millimeter strap made of genuine American-made Horween leather. This watch is powered by the Miyota 8217 Japanese automatic movement. It has hacking, hand wind, and a unidirectional rotor. Now that we've got all the stats out the way, let's try it on and see how this Xeric Soloscope 2 looks on the wrist. Here we go. And bam! Now you would think, even with my 7.5, a little bit over size wrist, there would be a lot of overhang. But because this 42mm lugless case width, it sits really nice. Now before we get to your favorite part in a review video, the outdoor and loom shots, let's get the business out the way. On Amazon, I found this green model and also this black model on Amazon for $400. For those of you interested, I placed the link in my description. Now this blue model is completely sold out, but you can contact either me, Simone B, or I am Nevix on WatchCrunch, and you'll get a price that'll even beat Amazon for this awesome model. Enough of my blabbering, let's get on to those shots y'all were waiting for. Wow, y'all still here. But since you're still here, I hope you liked, subscribed, and check out some of the videos that I made earlier. They're horrible, but I could use your support. Thank you. Now get out, I got work to do. Bye, go. Go, like, subscribe, get out.